This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter for RCR Wireless News. I'm here today with Andreas Roessler from Rohde Schwarz, and he is going to be telling us a little bit about 5G and the discussion that you're going to be having here at the LTE Innovation Summit 2014.
Absolutely, Kelly. Tomorrow we will dedicate the day first to over-the-air testing, OTA, but in the afternoon, as you said, we will discuss beyond 4G or 5G. As you may have heard, there's a lot of research going on right now in every part of the world, Europe, Asia, even here in the US. Carriers not really looking into it yet. They're still busy deploying VoLTE and carrier aggregation and that stuff. But the research community and the infrastructure vendors and chipset guys, they're looking ahead. So an obvious observation that we made so far is that we're talking a lot about higher frequencies because there's more bandwidth available. It has some problems then with propagation. It's totally different than the frequencies that we have today. It will also probably result in a new physical layer, maybe different than what we're using in LTE, going away from OFDM. So all this is in flux right now because there's no clear definition of 5G. But we will explore that tomorrow. We will talk about it, how we address that with our current test and measurement solutions, and what we're probably going to do in the future.
And as far as it seems incredible that we're talking already about 5G and that the technology cycles are really shortening when we're looking so far ahead, and we're still in the midst of LTE rollouts. Are you going to be addressing that issue at all in terms of how fast this is happening?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's also for us an interesting world that we live in and that we develop our solutions for. We need to keep up with the industry, and this event is actually the right place to do it because we get everybody here together. Chipset, infrastructure, network operator, component manufacturer, and all they need to play together to make 5G happen, to make the Internet of Things happen, to scope with M2M and device-to-device communication, all of that was potentially part of 5G and currently being standardized also for LTE. So we will probably just transfer it over to the new 5G standard, whatever that will be.